Now I will make a flange for the end where I can make a flange that goes on to the fender and with bolt holes inside the pipes here. Maybe I should just make an example so you know what I mean. I just like this. Wow, that fits just so I'm gonna do that pipe here, and I think this is great as well. So now I'm gonna make something fancy, like going out in this way and maybe make a curve here and down there as well. So you get the idea here, and then we're gonna have some holes here to tighten the pipes on the fender so they will stick together. But I'm not sure if I want this. Then I can make maybe some holes smaller and bigger. How about that design? I think that will work. Let's see. Maybe we should spike it. Yeah, that would be cool. Like this, and just go inward and outward again. What about that? That's the way to go. Yeah, and then some holes alongside. Always grind this off if it don't fit. So yeah, I think I'll try to do that. That is awesome. So you know me, a piece of rusty plate, we can always use that. So I've just figured out that I have to wait with this inward thing till I have made the plate between the pipes where the lights will go. So I can always grind that off. So I'll just make them like this. So there's a lot of room for another creativity. could follow the process. Got wrinkles in the end of the pipes and got these flanks bolted on. Now it's ready to put on the truck again. See how it fits on the fenders. Look at that. Not too much work to get this in where it should be, and yeah, just clamp this together and get it welded. Then we got secured fender and a bumper. On this side, I need some little more love. I knew this one was too long out, so just press it in and it should be good. No worries. So you guys, I'm wandering around with this where I should place the tree lights on each side. This is one thing, and yeah, there are many other options. What else we can do? Something like this. I actually like that. I like how this line is more or less like the cap side line. Yeah, of course this is more angled, but there are many other options. What about this one? This one I actually like pretty much as well. So what do you think about that? Another option is, I can't remember what I even did now. Do this. No, that's too messy. We can do this. And the first thing I had on my mind was, should always go with the first thing, you know. But I actually don't know yet. But this was my first thought. and because of this line matches up with the cap line on the side. I really don't know. But if we take this again, I actually like this one. This got a little Air Force wing to it. Yeah, actually pretty. That's not bad. What do you guys think? Write in the comments and let me know. You know,